How to Spend a Day in Warwick, New York, Part 3. First stop, Wanderlust Boutique. They specialize in comfortable, everyday wear with elevated, affordable basics. It's a perfect spot for moms and daughters to shop together. Plus, they have a charm bar. The owner, Deb, is so friendly, and I love that she wants to make mothers, daughters, and teens feel so welcome here. Next stop is Warwick Valley Olive Oil Company. When it comes to cooking, this is not your average tap room. They have tanks of olive oils and vinegars to try and a wide range of spices, jams, syrups, and kitchenware. Next stop is 17 and Orchard. This candle company hand pours and sustainably makes all of their candles. Their studio is also filled with art and decor, home and gift items, and is now offering public and private candle making classes. Last stop is Warwick Chocolate Company. It's a local family-owned chocolate shop featuring chocolates and confections. Their artisanal chocolate bars have some really fun flavor combinations, from Swedish fish to pop rock flavor. They also have assorted fine chocolates, with raspberry, peanut butter, and cardinal cherry being their most popular. And that's how we spent the day in Warwick, New York.